Zuckerberg's eyes welled with tears when he was speaking at the University of Kansas about his encounters with people affected by opioid addiction and the consequences of drugs abuse for them and their families. According to the Facebook CEO, the extent of the opioid crisis turned out to be the biggest surprise for him during his tour of America. Read more. CDC. Some rural California counties have more opioid prescriptions than people. According to the Centers for Disease Control, more than 140 Americans die from opioid overdoses each day. Referencing the thousands of people who have fallen victim to opioid addiction last year, Zuckerberg said that that's more people than died from AIDS at the peak of the AIDS epidemic. That's more Americans that died in the whole of the Vietnam War. It's more people than die of car accidents and gun violence, I think, combined, and it's growing quickly. The tech CEO commented on the opioid crisis the day after ex-Facebook president Sean Parker had slammed the social network, noting that it creates addiction and exploits human vulnerability. Zuckerberg also called the situation around opioid abuse in the U.S. a public health crisis, stressing that it is not addressed with due attention. However, the billionaire was optimistic as he said that there is a roadmap for tackling this problem and cited the example of France, which managed to overcome its own opioid crisis in the 1990s.